reefs where ports are standing, some rocks below are landing, just making sand out here. And the road hasta noite que te chove. I'r noson ffyrnig glyw'r eiddaw y cragur goedwyd y gwysig horri gwyliau ala a her ysbrydion gyda'r
Okay, we're off. Cannwyll without wish in Welsh. Amrwyn a Beana Fian, I hope, closely in Irish, and the Song of the Wild Geese in English. Ni, yw adenydd y storwm, y lleisia yn y gwenes, cysgodion eira sy'n tywallu'r byd, pli eira sy'n llenwi'r byd. Ni sy'n dachren y cymalau yn gwawdio cypaion. Ffrindiau o gen ti lefydd.
Mae'n bwysig bod ni yma'n Galway mwyn cryfhau'r cysylltiad efo'r Gwyddelod gan bod nhw efo iaith bodorol ei hun a da ni'n canu yn Gymraeg a maen nhw'n canu'n Gwyddelig.
We're here with a mixed motley crew of Irish and Welsh musicians and poets, and we're doing it because we care so much about our languages and we want to learn from each other about the ways to collaborate, and we want to have a lot of fun at the same time, and that's about it.
There's a great buzz and I think everyone's really enthusiastic about the whole thing, so it's good fun. I'm really looking forward to it now.